So, we've just had World Backup Day. Did you know about that? I'm guessing you probably didn't. But it's important for a couple of reasons, and to celebrate, I brought my Drobo this. The Samsung 850 EVO mSATA card. It's an SSD, and basically what this does is it speeds up my Drobo 5D3. That basically means that data transfer to and from my Drobo is even quicker. So if I'm sending huge files back and forth, it's just faster, speedier. My Drobo is already a Thunderbolt-free system, so it's fast anyway. But, you know, if I'm sending 4 gig files, then now it's going to be even faster because this is an SSD card. So, yeah, it's the buffering to and from is just going to be amazingly fast now. And I use my Drobo as basically a giant hard drive. So, yeah, super, super fast. And the great thing is that all my information is backed up. It's all really secure. None of my information is ever going to be lost. So, not going to be lost, and now it's going to be super fast to retrieve anything I need. This is also going to be super easy to install in about 2 minutes. Let's time this.
So this mSATA card actually comes as part of the Drobo Gold Edition, and that's pretty awesome. If you've been watching my channel lately, then you'll know that we're giving one of these away. Today is actually the last day of that competition, so if you're watching this now, then you better head over to the link in the description and enter that if you want to win a Drobo and one of these and everything else that comes under the Gold Edition. That's pretty cool, right? You can see here just how easy the entire Drobo is to set up, how easy it is to put in the hard drives as well as the mSATA card. I mean, the entire process is just easy. Just slot in your hard drives as well. I don't even need to take these out, but my hard drive is cooling down, and that's what you saw me listening for there. I just unplugged this entire unit. I was using it there 2 seconds ago, and that's pretty cool that I can just turn it off, flip it over, eject the panel here. There's no screws, I don't need to do anything, it's just plug and play, you know, unpop that here, open up this little piece of packaging, grab out the mSATA card. I mean, look at that, how small is this card? It's pretty tiny. I don't need to screw this in or do anything, and that's why I said this only takes 2 minutes, because it is literally pop this in, wait till you hear a little click there, and I'm being overly gentle with this maybe, but that's because I'm filming it and I don't want to mess this up. And then just grab the panel, slot it back on, and you're done. Just plug this Betty back in, and yeah, that's it. Last thing I'm going to do here is just read through the instructions once more, just to make sure that I followed the procedure correctly. That's pretty straightforward, that's simple, right? So I'm already done here. And yeah, that's it. Absolutely cracking. Then I'm going to put these hard drives back in, connect the Drobo back to my computer. Finished.
And that's me done. That is the mSATA card nicely installed into my Drobo 5D3. You saw how easy that was. I didn't really have to even take the hard drives out of my Drobo. I just thought, because I was turning it upside down and because I had only just turned the Drobo off, I thought it might be a little bit better. I will say this. How easy was that? That was so simple. And now my Drobo is even faster than before. So, it now has better buffer speeds. We can handle more. Super, super happy. I will check out the results of that later. But yeah, right now, just very pleased. Stay tuned, stay subscribed, and I'll tell you more information about that in another video. Okay? Speak to you soon.